Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Mohammed Bilal 21MT021. In this video I will be explaining my robotics project, that is mobile operated 4 degree of freedom robotic arm that was assigned to my team by Dr. Saifullah Samad. So the first step is connection, and you can connect with this robotic arm simply by just turning on your mobile's Wi-Fi and search for a Wi-Fi named robot arm. You just need to simply connect with that, and after that you have to go to a mobile browser like Chrome, and you have to simply type 192.168.4.1 in your search bar, and you will be connected to the robot arm, and after that you can access all the four servos of this robotic arm. So now, as you can see, I am connected to my robotic arm. So let's now try to pick this block from one place and place it somewhere else, which is what the main function of this robotic arm. So that's why we can call this robotic arm a pick and place robotic arm. I have also added another feature in my robotic arm. That is, whenever I turn on the recording button, the robot will record all the motions that we do to perform or achieve any task. And whenever I turn off the recording and play that recording, the robot will follow the same movement that a human were doing to perform a task. Means all the movements to achieve a task will be recorded in the robot, and robot can autonomously achieve that task.